My name is Maya Gupta, and I'm the Information Systems Analyst with ServeMinnesota, and we're the state commission for AmeriCorps. So basically, we have a number of grants that we administer at the state level, and I help manage and create those Knack apps for hundreds of members across the state that are doing great work to track their progress in programs such as Recovery Corps, which is to help with substance abuse, Heading Home Corps, environmental programs, and others as well. Recovery Corps is a program that was created with input from a lot of our community members doing the work. And Knack really helped us build a secure app that members could enter data into securely and allowed us to really pivot when needed when the program had different things that they wanted to do. Before Knack, we were, either using things like Google Sheets or relying on really costly third-party solutions that didn't fit our exact needs. And that really caused a lot of extra work for people, needing to do data validation, not in real time, downloading spreadsheets, putting things together. So it really caused a headache for a lot of folks. So now that we have Knack, it's really awesome for us to look at live updated data and be able to, do everything we need to do. After spending some time playing around with Knack, it felt pretty straightforward in the end to build the database objects and relationships on the back end, and then kind of turn around and build a useful, secure front end for folks to enter data in and to view the data that they've entered. All that, that along with the cost model based on records and not the number of users, like some of the other tools out there, really made it appealing. And then along with the fact that Knack really takes care of all of the security up front, and all the uptime of the apps, really helps out us out a lot because we have a very small team. And then our programs really also kind of change their model, somewhat every year. And Knack is pretty flexible, and the ability for us to make those updates fairly easily was pretty important. So all of our programs have members serving at various community sites across the state, and they're doing some sort of work. That work can be doing things such as tree inventories and home energy retrofits for some of our environmental programs. And that it can also be helping people navigate recovery from substances, finding stable housing, and more. And we're really able to leverage Knack to get members, supervisors, and staff access to the relevant data they need and to see the progress in real time. I think the results have been really eye opening, kind of to the point where I don't think we would have known how we could do work like this without a tool like Knack. It's unquestionably saved hundreds of hours of doing manual data cleaning and follow up for multiple staff. And it's really allowed our leadership and other stakeholders to ask and analyze deeper questions with the program. For example, with Recovery Corps, we look at something called Recovery Capital, um, and looking at our participants that fill out that Recovery Capital form every time that they meet with a recovery navigator. We can look at the percentage of folks that have improved their recovery capital in real time, and the percentage of folks that have seen a participant or seen a navigator more than two times. And those numbers have gone up continually year over year in the last couple of years that we've been using Knack. So I think it's a testament to this product being really great for our needs, along with kind of our AmeriCorps program model that we've been able to continue to improve because of the data that we're collecting through Knack.